Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Oh my god, this is psycho, you guys. Oh my god, are we gonna make it over?
Carla, what are you doing?
This person bought a $55 bicycle lock and wanted to see how strong it was. This guy lives on a busy road and got tired of people stealing his packages all the time. He set up a fake package that makes a small explosive sound to scare people that try to steal it.
Really? That is too funny. Oh, nope, that didn't work.
These guys wanted to see how accurate they could be while using their wingsuit. This is what it sounds like to beatbox using helium. And this is what it sounds like when you inhale sulfur hexafluoride.
Oh my god! Oh
These are scallops, and this is what they look like when they swim around.
Oh my god. That's so funny.
This is what it looks like when planes come in for a landing and there's a thunderstorm nearby. When the storm covers the airport, the planes scatter around like little ants. Here's what a baby shark looks like while it grows in an egg sac.
This is extremely rare to actually see one of these egg cases with the shark inside.
Last year, the United States forced Volkswagen to recall over 350,000 cars because of cheating on emissions tests. As a result, there are lots throughout the United States with Volkswagen cars sitting idle. Almost every single car will eventually be crushed and recycled. The amount of detail that went into making this painting is pretty incredible. This might look cute, but this baby will probably take over the world sometime soon. This person was arrested and placed in the front seat of a police car. When the officers were busy talking, she took off with the car.
What is she doing? Stop! Stop!
David 136, suspect just stole my vehicle.
After a few minutes, she was tracked down and captured.
This will be tougher to steal. This is one of our updated, hard to steal models.
This person was cleaning their car when another car came out of nowhere. The victim didn't experience any major injuries as the driver of the vehicle claimed to have pressed the gas instead of the brake pedal. Many countries such as South Korea have a big problem with hidden cameras being used in public bathrooms. In order to make sure that their privacy is safe, many people are using cameras that find hidden cameras.
These special red lights are specifically engineered to bounce off of the reflective surface, which all camera lenses have, no matter how big or small they may be.
Ooh.
Put it down. I need to put the bowl down nice and gently.
Okay, stop. Look how freaking cool this is that I started doing, and I'm doing it like way too often. Okay, so you like do, okay, I'll show you because it's freaking cool. Okay. Hi. Oh. Okay. Nice.
These art students made Halloween costumes of famous and iconic paintings.
Hey Dana, I've got you on my radar. Hey Dana, do you think these pot plants are risk or not? Hey Dana, this clock looks pretty smick.
Oh.
In case you didn't know, plants actually move around a lot, they just do it really slowly. So this is a pretty neat concept on how people might go shopping in the future. That's it in this video. Hopefully you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.